In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the open graph image in Webflow. Open graph images are crucial for enhancing the visual appeal of your content when it's shared on social platforms. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll need to head to Webflow's website. This platform allows you to create a custom website using its visual website builder for free. If you haven't done so already, navigate to their site and click the sign up button. You have the choice to create an account using your email and password or to sign in with Google for your convenience. It's important to use a strong and unique password for your Webflow account to ensure your site's security. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Webflow dashboard. From here, locate and go to your site, which is likely titled something like Deep's Dapper Site, or whichever name you've chosen for your project. Within your site, you'll find a panel on the left. Look for and click on the Assets tab. It's here you'll be managing your site's images. Now, search for the image you wish to use as your open graph image. Click on it, then select Copy Link from the options. This action allows you to copy the URL of the image, which will be used in the next steps. The next part is adjusting the open graph settings directly in your Webflow project. On the left panel, click on the Pages icon. This section contains all your site's pages. Locate the page you want to edit and hover over it. A gear icon should appear next. Click on it. This will open the settings for your selected page. In the settings window, scroll until you find the Open Graph settings. Here, there will be a field labeled Open Graph Image URL. Paste the URL you copied earlier into this field. This link tells platforms like Facebook or Twitter what image to display when your page is shared. Once you have pasted the link, remember to save your changes. Saving is crucial as it ensures your updates are not lost. After saving, the last step is to publish your changes. Go back to your dashboard or stay within your current panel and look for the Publish option. When you click it, you will be prompted to publish to selected domains. Confirm this action to update your live site with the new Open Graph image settings, and there you have it. Your Open Graph image has been successfully updated in Webflow. This ensures that when visitors share your site, the correct image is displayed, potentially increasing engagement and visibility. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to explore Webflow's support resources or community forums. Thank you for watching and happy designing.